we bring you the answers to all your questions. Be better than others. Enjoy the benefits of knowledge. Accept the answers from us.
Switch out the ones in his cage for something new, and after a few days, switch back. Continue introducing new toys and mixing them up with the old ones to keep things interesting for your bird. It could renew his interest in being active and curious. Schedule together time every day.
Our mission is to provide accurate answers. We think without knowledge, it is impossible to live a balanced life. Be competent, be skillful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification.